What's up guys, Eek with East Coast Ken, and I stole this idea from PowerStroke Jude, so I will link his 2 videos in the description box. But we are out Black Friday shopping, so I'm going to look at a couple different stores to make one video, and basically what I'm going to do is see what kind of tools they have on sale that a professional auto body technician would use. So let's see what they got, guys. So the first thing that I see is this Goodyear 6-gallon oil-free compressor. I don't know if I would go with this particular one, but let's see what else we can find. Alright YouTube, so I don't own any rights to any music that you may hear in the background. It is Christmas time, so we'll go with that. But anyhow, this right here, this heart, again, it's a nice little kit, and it doesn't have a lot of the fluff in it, like the Allen wrenches and stuff like that. But I don't think that that's still quality enough for a professional. Alright y'all, so this might be a decent little stocking stuffer for a professional. Hyper tough magnetic wristband. I know it is hyper tough, but the idea of it's actually pretty good, especially when you're taking apart some panels and stuff like that. So for 10 bucks, that might not be a bad choice. Alright guys, so we just left Walmart. As you can tell, there was only 3 items, and 2 of them I wasn't overly impressed with, and the other one was kind of just like a, I don't know, a stocking stuffer type thing. So not much at Walmart for a professional auto body technician. Let's go hit up the local Lowe's and see what we can find there. Alright guys, so when you first walk in, they've got some cobalt tools, a bunch of fillers and knives and stuff like that. Nothing I would recommend for a professional. Now, some mechanics gloves on sale for $12.49. Those might be a good idea. This razor blade knife, I have 2 of them. It works good, so I would definitely suggest one of those right there, either one. So again, this is all more filler fluff, you know, hammer, not professional. This is the stuff right here that kills me in the tool kits. That's 23 pieces out of like 270 piece kits. That it's really honestly useless. $24.98 if you're into detailing. That's not bad for what you get. I just don't like Armor All. Their products have gone down drastically. Now this right here, I don't know how quality, and I'm a Cobalt fan, guys. So you know, this 3-case Cobalt case stack 3-piece wheeled storage system, just like the Milwaukee pack out systems and stuff like that. Those are great options, and if you're balling on a budget, that might not be a bad option right there, but by no means is it as high quality as the Milwaukee pack out or the DeWalt 2.0 system. So $99 you get a Cobalt compressor. My compressor is the 26-gallon Cobalt one, and it works great. So I think I would rather buy one of these for $99 as opposed to the Goodyear one at Walmart. Alright guys, now here's actually a viable option for something. You've got your Craftsman 3/8 inch drive torque wrench and then a 1/2 inch torque drive wrench. Those are not bad prices, and you're getting Craftsman. It's a mid-range set of tools. Not a bad idea right there for, again, now this is for an auto body technician. Somebody who's not going to be torquing stuff down every single day as like a actual repair technician would be. If this little guy right here was the foldable one, I'd be buying them and sending them out to PowerStroke Jude because he loves that green color. Alright guys, now this flex system, they went above and beyond with this thing. They're zip tied up, so I can't get into them, but I mean, they thought of stuff that people are doing on the Milwaukee pack-out hacks and stuff like that. They incorporated that stuff into building this system. So this one right here, as much as I hate to say it, I think $299 is a little pricey. You can get into the Milwaukee system for that much, but this is a high competitor and a good contender for it. So grinders, Craftsman, DeWalt, Metabo, and this is the Craftsman one I picked up the other day, right? Or I'm sorry, not Craftsman, DeWalt right there. You definitely are going to need some of those, and I would suggest corded or air over battery powered unless you're out in the field someplace working. Now, if you're already in the Cobalt line like I am, this heat gun I think would be a very good option for somebody to be using, as well as the blower and then the polisher. I have this right here and it works really well. I'm interested in getting one of these for, you know, sticker removal and stuff like that. Alright guys, so this is the 257 piece from Cobalt. I would suggest this over the Hart, hands down. I've got very little experience with Hart, but I have used a tool or two of theirs. But I've used Cobalt and I absolutely love it. And as a do-it-yourselfer, I invested heavily in them, and I've been passing those tools on to the kids. So this right here, this would be a great option for somebody getting into the field, balling on a budget. You know, you're taking the auto body class at school. That would be a good one to have just to get into it. All right, guys, so we just left Lowe's and now we're going to hit up one more store, maybe one more after that. We'll kind of see what the day holds for us, but we can't make a video without this next store, so let's get to it. What's up, guys? So again, we're balling on a budget. So what's a tool video without hitting up the old Harbor Freight? There's one tool in particular that I'm looking for, and I want to show you guys because we used it in class, and I think it's actually a really good option for a entry-level auto body technician. So let's see if we can't find it. All right, guys, so it's right here, this surface conditioning tool. ITC member $119.99, regular $149. But this thing strips paint off of metal panels like a champ. It's actually a very, very good tool made by Bauer that I was very impressed with and shocked with. So that right there is definitely a budget balling tool that you need to get when getting into the auto body repair field. My wife just touched my butt. All right, guys, here's some regular price stuff, nothing Black Friday, but this right here, 20-piece putty spreader for Bondo work for $7.99. I buy these, I use them, and then I just toss them out because it's so much easier than it is to just try to sit there and clean them repeatedly. But they do have some other stuff over here. I think you can find some better options elsewhere, though. Now, when they have it, that right there, $5.99 for some self-etching primer. That is a great option right there. I'm also going to pick up a couple of more of these right here because I need them for the go-kart and the work that I'm doing to that for the kids. All right, guys, so we're at Sam's Club because there's something really particular that I want to check out from Channel Lock. It's something that we talked about on Ed the Old Tech Guys live this past Tuesday night, so I'll drop a link to that live stream down in the channel along with PowerStroke Judes for a professional aspect of tool searching at Black Friday sales. So let's get inside and check it out. All right, guys, so I was really interested in this 200-piece Channel Lock set for $99.98. I was hoping it had been on Black Friday clearance sale, but it's not. It's a 200-piece set and it's got ratcheting wrenches in it. That is why it intrigued me so much. But I just, with the tools I have, I can make a kit and I can put it in the Del Sol for Damien when he gets his license. I just can't justify spending the money on it. Had it have been on sale, then I would have been able to, but you know, as the video you've heard, balling on a budget, so this just isn't in the budget. But it looks like a great set for a beginner, and it's got a lot of stuff in it that I do believe an auto body technician could actually use, starting off in the industry or starting off in the school for it. It's got 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive, SAE and metric, and then that's everything that it has in it, guys. So there's your 1/2 inch, your 1/4, your 3/8. I think the 3/8 is the most stocked up into it. Then it's got your ratcheting wrenches, your bit drivers, which is some of the fluff stuff that I talk about, like the hex keys and stuff. So that's it, guys. Alright, guys, so with auto body comes a lot of detailing, and these 24 towels, extra large microfiber, I think this would actually be a really good option for people. Gyms and spas, all-purpose cleaning, pet grooming. It's got a good feel to it. Not as high quality as some of the other ones, but for $16.98, I think that's a great option to get you started off. Alright, guys, so we're here at Napa. Let's take a look inside and see what they have available for the professional technician. Alright, guys, so Napa sells Gearwrench. Gearwrench is a great brand for the professional. So you've got this one on sale for $76.49, and that is a 20-piece ratcheting set. And then they've got this 32-piece for $115, and that has the stubbies in it as well. They've got your stuff down here for $127, and then $77.97. So Gearwrench at Napa, an untapped resource, guys. Check it out. Alright guys, so I'm going to skip over the Home Depot tour because my dude PowerStroke Jude did a video on that, and it's linked down in the description, so go watch his. So out of all the stores that I went to, the only two things that I would honestly suggest buying for a professional who's already in the industry or somebody who's getting into the industry is the Gearwrench set here at Napa, and then the paint stripper off from like panels and stuff like that from, yes, Harbor Freight. For the do-it-yourselfer, all the options that I showed today are great choices for you, but like I said, this is from a professional perspective. So as an auto body tech, this is what I would buy: the Gearwrench and then that stripper from Harbor Freight. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Definitely check out my guys down in the description, PowerStroke Jude and Ed the Old Tech Guys videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.